Introducing the 2017 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value as a pre-owned model. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, a power rear cargo door, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Chrysler ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.